Just last week, we declared the 6th zone of special operations in Parade Gardens, located in the Kingston Central Division. Since then, the people of Parade Gardens have had some respite from the ongoing violence. The heavy deployment of the police and military as the joint force, along with a suite of operational activities in surrounding areas, has had the desired effect of reducing the freedom of action of gangs and thereby reducing, to some degree, the fear within the community. 18 of the 20 persons of interest we were seeking have been interviewed and 2 remain in custody. We are also seeing signs of former rivals willing to come to speak to each other when facilitated by us. We use these zones in conjunction with several other operational activities, and as a police force, along with our military partners, are constantly adjusting to counter emerging violent conflicts. The heavy use of intelligence and some adjustments to our responses has led to the seizure of 9 firearms and the arrest in Mountain View of a significant figure in the illegal arms trade.